Hi guys, it's me, Nail Gems. I just want to do another review of the Beauty Big Bangs thermal nail polishes. I was sent another range of products to review, and I really fancied the orange thermal polish. The code for the orange one is this. So let's have a look at the colour. So we've got a nice orange polish with a really nice, like a gold shimmer. It's really pretty. I'm currently wearing it on my nubs now. Yes, I've had to cut them down, which I'm absolutely gutted about, because this one here decided it was going to break and the Teabag Fix would no longer hold it. So I've had to cut them all down, but my nails do tend to grow back quite quick, so fingers crossed we'll be back to some nice long nails very soon. Okay, back to the polish. The polish is obviously a thermal polish, so it changes in the hot and the cold. There will be some swatches at the end of the video where you will obviously see the transition, and I'll also do a video in putting my hand into hot water and into cold water. So I applied 2 coats of this polish. I wouldn't recommend any more than that because it is a thick polish. It dries matte. If you don't like the matte, just add a glossy top coat. I do have a discount code. If you want to buy any Beauty Big Bang products, go to www.beautybigbangs.com. and in the discount code box just add Gemma, all in capitals. I will add like a discount code into my video for you, just in case you do want to buy anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos, and thank you so much for watching.